Hello, friends. When you own a successful website, WordPress website, and you are getting all the advantages from this website, security can be a major concern for your website, especially when you are using WordPress CMS, which is the most popular CMS for making business website. Security can be a very major concern always because you might be getting multiple hacking attempts, false logging attempts, and all such unwanted things which is not related to your business. Now, this is a very wonderful website. I just come across to this website. You can explore this. Fine. So the WP Themes, of course, is a very popular website and we are running it successfully since years. And you can find hundreds of themes, plugins, and how-to guides for your WordPress website here on this website, on this channel itself. Now, I let me show you an email that I always used to get, and we are handling this email. So this is coming from the WordFence alert, and it simply says the user logged out from signing in. The wpthemes.co.in user logged out from signing in. Why it happened? So this mail was sent to you from website WP Themes by the WordFence plugin on such and such date. The WordFence administrative URL, the site is such and such, and the user with IP address this has been logged out from signing in or using the password recovery from the following regions. Exceeded maximum number of logging failures, which is 5. So it is set in the WordFence, and we are using WordFence for WordPress website security, for our website security. And user IP source. So I should not disclose all these things, but it is important to show this mail. I'm not hiding anything, so don't use such credentials or uh, informations. So this is just for knowledge and learning purposes, right? And so WordFence has very advanced modules through which you can actually secure your WordPress website. Like WordFence has multiple plans that you can choose, and there are free versions, premium versions, care and response. So you can compare the plans as well. And if we compare the plan, I must show you one thing. In the WordFence care, it is written that we install, configure, and optimize WordFence. It clearly means you need to configure the WordFence in a very uh, wise manner so that you may get optimal benefit of this plugin. So there is a detailed video on this channel that shows everything about the WordFence, and if you need certain security measures and how you can configure with the WordFence, I can show you in additional video. Just write in the comment section or get in touch with the I Create mentor on the live chat. Okay, you might be new at this channel. So here is the I Create, and this is a wonderful and the very interactive program through which you can get all the supports for your WordPress website. You simply need to start a chat with a mentor, and you can ask unlimited free questions for your WordPress website, and you'll get support as well. Right. So thing is that when you need a specific setting for WordPress, we can help you out, and you can go with the free plans, but thus you can compare the plan and its deliveries. So of course you can choose the solution that you actually need for your website depending upon your business requirements, right? So the main idea, the whole idea is to secure your website. So we are coming back to the mail which shows the last username this tried to sign in was CO. So it is very illogical, and I checked, there is no such username in the registration of my website, right? So what I'll do? So we have an option in the WordPress settings under the enable brute force protection. So this is a very important setting, and this you can all read what these settings does for your website, and there is always a help tool in form of question marks and links in the WordPress settings, WordPress installation, so you can get all the details what you are going to do actually. So the thing is that brute force protection is here and under rules. So it is under rules. So I must tell you, it is under rules. There is an option, enable brute force protection. Everything is on for this WP Themes website. Still, we are getting spammers and hackers since it is a popular website, as I said. So the unwanted people are also here. So the setting is here. Lockout after how many login failures. So this is what said in the mail. So the user got logged in after login failure, which is 5. So here it is said that if uh, the 5 unsuccessful attempt is made to log in, it has to be logged. Lockout after how many forget password attempts, it is same again. So you can increase and decrease as per your requirement. So count failures over what period of time, amount of time user to be logged out, you can set. So like I have set 4 hours. So it is locking out for user, locking out to the user for 4 hours. Like this is 4 hours, right? Thing is that we have to immediately block the user who is trying or the bot. It can be a user, it can be a bot, so we cannot rectify exactly. So there are bots who are trying to attempt or hack the websites. So it is same as the user does. Like so, the co-user is to be blocked and from further login so that we may further secure our website, the resources of server, so that we may optimize our website settings, because this is not a real user. We don't have any user like this username. So I must show you another email, so it will clarify more things. So look at this email trail. So there are 18 email trails. So all these coming from the WordPress alert, and there are users like WP themes, which is not an actual user, and the details can be seen like again WP themes and again WP themes. So you have to watch the pattern. You have to enable this email alert first before you are going for blocking, because if you are blocking the real person, it may block their IP and you might be losing the actual visitor or actual user at your website. Thing is that we have to block, after watching the pattern, you have to block the respective user. So we have identified the co-user is not a valid user who should log in at the website. So what we will do, under the enable brute force protection, we have an option, immediately block the IP of users who try to sign in as username. And you can read the details. Here is the details. So the details can be read, all the details. Okay. So immediately block, and any username you would add to this option will cause an IP address to be blocked if they try to log in with that username. Particularly that username, IP will be allowed. If other username is being tried from that IP, it is allowed. The user will be blocked for a particular username. So it is very important. We are not blocking the complete IP or any series of IP. We are just blocking the combination of username and the IP it is coming from, which is unwanted. So it is very important. So what we are blocking, you have to understand, and how you can proceed. Right. Coming back. So what we have to do, as earlier I have blocked 2 users, and this time I'm going to block user CO, who is an unwanted user, and I simply type CO and hit enter. CO is here, and just save the changes. And WordFence is working. So now this user, again, this user with the IP he or bot is trying is blocked now. Completely blocked. Yes. No way. The user, no way, and can try to log in with this user. And I have watched the pattern for this user as well. And this is not a real user to this website. This is why the user is blocked, the bot is blocked, who is coming from. So this is a very simple and important step. And when you are running a hundreds of visitors on your websites, so you are running a successful website like WP themes, as I said. So you have to take all the security measures for your website so that unwanted, unethical users may remain away from your wonderful website, and you may achieve your business goal. Actually, you wanted to do so, right? So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions, more discussions for your WordPress website. I'm sure you are a regular visitor of this channel and subscribe the channel as well. Hit the bell button as well. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.